Hey guys, it's Joey from Tech Tips and More, and today I'm going to be reviewing the Brüush electric toothbrush, so let's get into it. So as I said, today I'm going to be reviewing the Brüush electric toothbrush. So I know this is not the usual kind of tech that we review on this channel. Normally it's apps or some things related to phones, but when Bruush offered to send me out one of these to try, I thought I could not pass up on this opportunity because although it's not traditional tech, it still is a well-worked piece of tech that you can use in your everyday life, just like a cell phone. So I thought that I'd make a video on it. So without further ado, let's get into it. If you buy a Bruush toothbrush, this is what it comes with. It comes in this box, and I must say that the unboxing experience is one that's uncomparable. It's actually great. Similar to Apple, probably, and everyone knows how good Apple's unboxing experience is. So yeah, it's just overall great. The toothbrush comes so a charger here, which you can charge simply by placing the toothbrush on the charger. Very simple, and then it just plugs into the wall through USB-C, or not USB Type-C, USB Type-A. And then there's instruction booklets laid out perfectly. You also get 2 additional brush heads for your toothbrush, so you'll never run out of brush heads for quite a long time at least, as well as a carrying case, which is great as well. First of all, let's focus on the main piece of tech that you're going to want here if you're buying this, the actual toothbrush. So the toothbrush has 6 different modes, first of all. There's daily, whitening, gentle, gum, maximum, and tongue. So those are all different modes that you can use depending on what the situation you're in and which area of your mouth you're targeting. So that right there shows you just how much focus the Brüush has put into this, as you are able to customize your brushing experience depending on which situation you're in. It's great. And so that's the first cool thing. The brush has a built-in 2-minute timer. So actually what happens, it's super cool, is once you press power, you just hit the power button here, and the brush will brush for 30 seconds, and then it will do a quick half-a-second pause, and then go for another 30 seconds, and do that a total of 4 times, totaling 2 minutes. And what those pauses are used for is for you to be able to switch to a different segment of your mouth. So for example, I start in the top left, and then when the brief pause happens, I go to the top right, then bottom left, then bottom right. It's super nice. Make sure you're targeting every area equally, and just helps get your dental health to its fullest potential. Next, it has a 4-week battery in this toothbrush, which is actually great. I think that's probably the highest in the market. So like you pretty much can take this on a month-long trip and not have to worry about bringing a charger. And even if you do bring a charger, all you do is just sit it on the charger like shown here, and it charges itself. You can just do that once overnight every 4 weeks or so, and you're good to go. So it's super cool. The toothbrush comes in 3 colors. I have black here obviously, but it also comes in white and pink. And yeah, so the toothbrush in and of itself is beautifully designed. The company places a huge emphasis on aesthetic and design, as I said, so the toothbrush, it fits those criteria as well. It's absolutely beautiful. And yeah, so when you're traveling, you can simply place the toothbrush in this case. And once again, their design is showing here to be beautiful, because you can actually remove the head of the toothbrush simply by pulling it off. And then you can place half the toothbrush in there and the other half on the brush in there to maximize the space of the container. So that's how they make the container so small, by maximizing every little square inch of space in here. It fits in most travel cases because of this design, and so you won't have to worry about carrying a whole extra travel case or something like that. It's all good, it'll fit in here. You just simply close it up like that and you're good to go. So another key feature about the Brüush electric toothbrush is their subscription model. So basically what happens is it's not mandatory, you can opt into it if you want, but if you do opt into it, every 6 months the Brüush company will send you 3 new heads for your toothbrush, brush heads. So that is because dentists recommend to replace your brush head every 2 months, so therefore every 6 months you're getting 3, and you will fit the recommended time limit perfectly. So it's up to you. It's the very cheap $6 each per head, which is significantly below what the rest of the market is. I think it's around like 15 bucks is the average for the other companies. So $6 here. It's great. It's kind of a no-brainer. You should always go for that because if you're buying the toothbrush anyways, you might as well get that little add-on to make sure that your dentistry health is as good as it can be. And yeah. So the brush itself costs $70 American with free shipping. So that's relatively affordable, and that's right around the same price as similar products in with the similar features, electric toothbrushes like that. So it's relatively affordable, and I think it's definitely worth it considering that this is such a crucial part of your life. Like, you brush your teeth twice a day, hopefully, you should be at least. And it makes such an impact on your life. It makes a big impact on meeting people, their first impressions of you, and just overall your well-being. So investing $70 to have a toothbrush that's going to last for a super long time, and it'll just take your dentistry health to a whole other level. I think it's 100% worth it. It's right around Christmas time, and this gift can, although it is a bit of an expensive gift, it will work for anyone because obviously everyone brushes their teeth, so no one's going to be offended if you give this to them or anything. So it's a great gift right around the holidays. So I highly recommend picking up a Brüush toothbrush. The link is in the description below. And yeah, so hopefully you guys like this video. If you want to see some more videos switched up like this, let me know in the comments below. And yeah, this has been Joey from Tech Tips and More, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.